Send this into America's most abused kids.
Where's the sheep? The black sheep. Look at
You gotta fold it up.
How old are you? How old are you?
Hey, quit kicking her.
You see the person that's doing this. Yeah, hide your face. And this is the accomplice coming over to.
I knew you was gonna do that. That's why I said.
And look at the abuse. Wonder where she gets it from. On camera. She's getting stumped. Here, Star, take this pistol so you can
You must have
shoot.
read one of them text messages. But you run over there, but you must have read the text message. Because your ass was quiet for a long time. That nigga read that text message, got straight the fuck out.
Come on, let's fight.
You ain't say shit.
Don't fight, shoot her.
You did this. Like, I don't give a fuck what you doing.